Hey everybody, this is Dad and Amanda.
And we're from Kitchen Cookout. Today we are going to make some delicious banana bread. The ingredients that you'll need is some all-purpose flour, some sugar, salt, baking soda, 3 ripe bananas, and some melted butter. First step is we have to mix all of them together. So, it says
That's the
we
oven
have to
ready.
mash the 3 ripe bananas. So Dave, can you help me?
Sure. Give me 1 banana. I'll take care of it. One ripe banana. Ooh, these are really ripe, aren't they, Amanda?
Yeah.
Perfect for a banana bread. Nice. I love it. All right, now what, Amanda?
We have to start mashing them.
Ooh,
Can you start doing that, Dave?
yeah, of course. All right, here's our ripe bananas. Here's our masher, everyone. Here I go. Ooh, this is excellent. All mashed. What's next, Amanda?
Next, it says we have to combine the banana, sugar, the 1 egg, and the butter all together in one bowl.
Okay.
So let's first crack this egg.
Excellent. Good job of cracking that egg, Amanda.
And can you measure the sugar for me?
Sure. One cup.
And I'll start measuring.
There you go, 1 cup. Can I put it in?
Yep. Just like that.
Excellent.
And it's pouring the melted butter.
What else?
And we start mixing.
Can I get the flour out? I'm excited about the flour.
Okay.
How much flour?
It says 1.5 cups of flour.
I always like to measure flour exactly. The best way to do that is use one of these nice flat knives and go just like that. There's
And it
1
says
cup.
we have to mix that in a separate bowl. I don't think that's going to be enough.
Okay, use that bowl right there.
Oh yeah, perfect. There
Okay.
you go.
How much? 1.5 cup?
1.5.
1.
Here's the 1/2 cup.
Half cup. Done.
Okay, so we need the baking soda with the flour, and it says 1 teaspoon. Can you see that?
Teaspoon. In here?
Yes.
Okay. 1 teaspoon. What else?
Now we need to pour the dry ingredients into the banana mix.
What about the salt? I didn't do the salt.
We'll do that after we mix both of these.
Okay.
Can you help me with this, Dan?
Sure. You want me to hold this or use this?
Yeah.
Nice.
There we go. That smells good already. After we're done mixing
In
with
case you're
this,
wondering what it looks like.
after we are done mixing with this, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt.
Here's the salt. Beautiful. One more time. Should I keep going?
Just a little bit more. I think that's good.
All right.
Now let's add this 1 teaspoon of salt. Perfect. Stir that up.
This is fun.
It's also hard work.
Yep. Done. Now what?
Now we need to add that mixture into the pan.
Hey, what's that stuff inside the pan?
We had to grease the pan so once it's done cooking, it won't stick to the pan.
Wow, good idea. Can I put it in the pan now?
Yep.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Now you gotta make sure all the batter is in the bowl.
Oops. There we go, looks good.
Perfect. Now we preheated the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and we're going to put this in the oven for 1 hour.
All right, here we go. You ready? 325. Set timer. How long?
1 hour.
Ooh. 60 minutes. Start. 1 hour.
There we go.
We'll see you in 1 hour.
So we are back and there's about 2 minutes left until the banana bread is ready.
I can't wait. It smells so good, doesn't it, Amanda?
It smells good. Let's see how it's
Hi, Mom.
Okay, so there's about 1 minute left.
Hi, Aiden.
Hello.
Doesn't it smell good?
Yeah, it actually really does
It's
smell
looking
good.
really good so far.
Wow. Hey, Amanda, can we eat it right away when it gets out of the oven?
No, it's gonna be too hot, so we have to let it cool for about 10 minutes.
Oh, okay. What were you doing this whole time while the banana bread was in the oven?
Doing usual stuff, you know.
Nothing?
No,
Oh,
just waiting.
we were playing games. Me and Aiden. Hi, Aiden.
Hello. We were playing Sequence.
Nice. All right. Is it ready yet?
Still about 1 minute.
1 minute. It actually looks ready. I'm gonna check. Do you know how we check? We have to put one of these toothpick-like things into the banana bread, right?
Yeah, then it
Okay.
checks the temperature of the bread. Right, Dad?
Yep. It checks that it's ready. Always use a oven mitt. Nice. And if it comes out clean, what does it mean?
It's ready.
All right, it's ready. I'm gonna take it out. Quick show for the camera. Oh, look how nice that looks. All right, well, we'll put that for cooling and we'll come back in about
10 minutes.
All right, here we go. We have our nice cool banana bread. We're gonna take it out and throw it on this plate. Let's see how it goes.
Ooh, came out perfect.
Oh, look at that, everyone. Check that out. Perfect banana bread. Next, we're gonna slice a couple for all of us to eat. Oh yeah. Ready?
It's like perfect size piece too.
One for me, one for Aiden
Hello.
behind the camera, and one for Amanda. Tell you what, just take one and split it in two so we don't have to. I personally always like to put butter on my banana bread. You don't have to, but
I'm good.
here I go.
Alright,
Oh, look
I'm
at
ready
that,
to try
guys.
this.
Ready? Tell me
Set.
what you think, Amanda. Go.
Okay. Whoa,
Good?
that's really
I'm
good.
gonna try it too. Mmm,
It tastes
that's
better
so
than-
good.
It tastes better than regular banana bread.
Let's give a piece to Aiden.
Here, come here. Come here, Aiden.
There you go.
Hello, camera.
Good?
That's
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's really
Is that our episode for today, Amanda?
Yep, that's our episode for today. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.